Hey, it's Heather here. I want to show you the new blender that I just got. This is a nice, small, compact, personal blender. This is the Koios, and it does come with a recipe booklet as well as instructions for you. But it's so simple to use. That's what I love about it. And it has 2 cups that come with lids. And there is even a little hook on here if you wanted to hook your drink onto something. But I already have it prepped so that I can show you just how powerful this 900-watt blender is. This is the actual blender right here, and it's just going to go ahead and screw on top of one of the cups. And then you place it on top, and there's like a little lock in here for it. And bear with me for a moment because it is very powerful and very loud. And so I could definitely continue blending this, but it is very loud. But here you go. This is what I love to make. These are frozen coffee drinks. And then you can just go ahead and unscrew the top, put your lid on there, and you're ready to go. It does come also with a little cleaning brush. I really highly recommend this for making any type of smoothies or any type of frozen drinks that you would like. Once again, it's all about the power that I think makes this just the perfect little blender. I hope you find this review helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.